Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video, I will show you how to download and install the DSTV Stream app to your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if you have a Hisense Smart TV like mine, a Vida Hisense Smart TV, this is exactly the steps to take to install the DSTV Stream if you don't have it installed. It is very easy. On your Hisense Smart TV, try and locate your app store. Here's mine over here. So what do? You go over to your app store, just search for it and come over to your app store. This is my Vida app store. Please, this works only on the Hisense Smart TV. Now, as you are here, you can take out your time to browse through to search for the application. But for me to save time, I'm just going to go ahead and search for the application. So it's a DSTV stream. So what I'll do here, I'll just come over here to type the name of the application and I'll type DSTV. So one thing I don't really like is typing on TV. It's kind of like stressful. So I'm going to type DSTV here. So DSTV. Oh, that's Y instead. So TV, and I'm going to search. And I'll search here's application DSTV now. So this application we're interested in. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to come over to the introduction of the app, the DSTV now app, or the more info. And here's you can read through the information, but we're interested in installing it. So just click on install once, and then it's going to install to your TV. Once it's installed, it's going to ask you to choose where to put the application here, which I can just choose this, and I can launch the application by just clicking once there, and you see that it's the application, the DSTV app. So that's it, as easy as that. If you find it helpful, subscribe for more important videos like this.